Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Purcell, and welcome to the garage. Thank you for watching, and if you can, please subscribe. I'm going to talk about tires real quick. This is going to be a very quick video. Talk about my wife's car specifically. This is her Model Y 2024. Her designated parking spot is over here. You can see clearly that if you park, you will be charged. If you're violating, you will be charged. And my little parking ride over there with just a plain, boring red Tesla sign that says electric vehicle parking only. So if you come over, you can charge it any place, wherever you want. This here is my Model S 2015. And I'll tell you, in a few months, it'll be 11 years old. Proud owner of this car. Love it, love it, love it. It's done quite well by me. When I bought this car in 2015, I put Pirellis on it. Love Pirelli tires. And I put Vossen wheels on it. I put 28 modifications in my car, so you can see the last two things, Vossen and my Pirelli P0 tires. This is my second iteration of tires, but I was surprised to find out when my wife bought her 2024 car a couple of years ago, not only did she get the Pirelli tires, but she also got Scorpions with the ELECT logo, which is right there. We're going to talk about that for 2 quick minutes. I had to go look up what that meant when I first saw that. And I said, oh, it's for electric vehicles. So in her car, she got tires specifically for electric vehicle. On my car, I just got tires. Best way how to put it. All right, so these ELECT tires, they are specialized not just by Pirelli, but other tire manufacturers to include. You have the Michelin. You have, oh, let's see, you have what other car tires? My mind is failing me. Oh, you have Goodyear and Continental. They're making those type of tires as well. Now, if you're talking about Tesla, not only Tesla is making these tires available for the owners, but also two major car manufacturers are using the same type of tires to include Porsche, BMW. Yeah, I saw one on Audis, Mercedes-Benz, Rivian, Ford, Hyundai, Kia, and Volkswagen. Yes. Now, so what they're saying about the key details about these special tires is that performance is designated to improve battery range up to 10% and reduce noise up to 20%. Now, I can tell you honestly, I love my wife's car. Love, love, love her car because it's 24 technology, 2024 technology. This is 2015 technology. Now, in my car, great. It runs. It's a solid car, but single pane window. My wife has double pane window to reduce noise. I think even in the new Model Ys, they have triple pane windows, and you have these ELECT tires. I just got single pane windows and a tire. So I don't know. You just have to. It's all in the ear. If you can hear it, or if you can feel a little sturdiness, then I suggest if you're getting a used car, make sure you put some money aside if you want to and get yourself some ELETs. I'm not out here trying to make your mind up or whatever you're doing. I'm not getting paid for this. I just need some video just to talk about some things. So I just want to pass on that to you. ELECT tires or regular tires. It's up to you if you want to get a used car. Obviously, if you get a brand new car, you don't have to worry about that. But you will pay for the tires. It's going to be all in the final pricing. So there you go. That's just a little bit of information. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. And as always, I say peace and be kind out there. Deuces.